Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Instagram lead ads to Zoho CRM for your hospitality business. So I am an owner of multiple summer resorts and I'm promoting my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. Now my objective is that whenever I'm receiving a new lead for my summer resorts from Instagram lead ads, then automatically that lead should be added in my Zoho CRM account. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between Instagram lead ads and Zoho CRM, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, then you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, I am going to show you that how we can automatically add our Instagram leads in Zoho CRM. So I am an owner of vacation resorts with the name as Summer Smiles. So I am promoting my hospitality business with the help of Instagram lead ads. I am running a Facebook page with the name as Summer Smiles, and I have already connected this Facebook page with Instagram account. So by using this Facebook page and my Instagram account, I am running an ad campaign on Instagram for my hospitality business with the name as Summer Smiles. So this is my ad campaign on Instagram lead ads, Summer Smiles. I'm going to open it. And here I have also created a lead gen form to generate the leads with this ad. So my objective is that whenever a lead is going to visit my Facebook page and they are going to submit this lead gen form for contacting me for booking their staycations with my resorts, then I want to add that lead in my CRM. So to manage the leads, I am using Zoho CRM, and I want that as soon as a lead will be received through Instagram lead ads for my hospitality business, then that lead should be added in my Zoho CRM account. Now, how we are going to automate this entire process? To do this, we will have to set up the connection between Instagram lead ads and Zoho CRM. And for building this connection, here we are going to use Pabbly Connect as they do not have any kind of native integration between them. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our repetitive tasks without any coding and programming skills, simply by setting up connections between our work applications. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to set up the connection between Instagram lead ads and Zoho CRM. So let's get started quickly. Currently, we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. And also when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Currently, as I'm existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. As we have done that, you can see this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on our dashboard, we will find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the same workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. And here a dialog box is appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. I'm going to give a name first of all. Add Instagram lead ads to Zoho CRM for hospitality business. After giving the name to my workflow, I will select the folder in which I want to save it. So you can see we have list of folders over here. Among these folders, I am going to select automations for Instagram lead ads marketing, because I have already created this folder for all the automations which I am going to create related to Instagram lead ads. Then I'm going to click on create. In the similar manner, you can also create separate folders for separate workflows. Now, as we have done that, you can see we have a new screen with a blank workflow which contains two extremely important windows. So first is the trigger and the other is action over here. Now, what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Instagram, automatically that lead should be added in Zoho CRM. So over here, I'm going to take Instagram lead ads in trigger and Zoho CRM in action. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through Instagram, then only the details of that lead will be shared towards Zoho CRM to create a lead over there as well. Otherwise, not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the automation step by step. First of all, to start the workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application. So here our trigger application will be Instagram lead ads. Now, as we have done that, you have to select the trigger event as well. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So here we have two options, new lead and new lead instant. Because my objective is that whenever a lead is received in Instagram lead ads, then instantly the response of that lead should be captured and should be added in Zoho CRM. So new lead instant will be my trigger event over here. As we have done that, now we have to build the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. For that, I am already logged into my Facebook account, which is very important. And also I'm logged into my Instagram account. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I'm going to go with add new connection over here to build this amazing new connection. And we'll click on connect with Instagram lead ads. As we've done that, now we are going to select the account and we'll click on continue. And over here, you can see that the connection is successfully built. Okay, so now here the connection is built. We have to move forward. First of all, we have to select the name of our page and the lead gen form by using which you are generating the leads. So as I told you, the name of my page, the Facebook page by using which I am running my Instagram ad campaign is Summer Smile. So I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect and I'm going to select the same over here. Summer Smiles, okay? Then here it is asking us the lead gen form by using which you want to generate the leads. So I'm running an ad campaign and in that ad campaign in Instagram lead ads, I have also created a lead gen form. So this is my ad campaign and over here we have the form. So this is the lead gen form by using which I want to generate the leads. I want that whenever the lead is going to visit my ad campaign and they are going to submit this particular form, then only I want to add that lead in Zoho CRM, otherwise not. So the name of the form is lead ads form 2. So I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect and I'm going to select the same form over here as well. Now we are going to turn the simple response button on. And as we have done that, we'll click on save and send test request button. Now, here it is showing waiting for webhook response. Here we have already received a response. This is a test response actually. Now we are going to capture a real response with the lead details. And how we are going to do that? By simply submitting the lead gen form which we have connected over here. And to do this test submission, I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers. After coming on Meta for Developers, here we'll go towards the developer tools. And over here in developer tools, we have lead ads R2 debug tool. So this is lead ads testing tool with the help of which basically we are going to test our integration between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So when we will select a page over here, when we will select the form and when we are going to submit the form over here to do the test submission, the response of that form will be sent towards Pabbly Connect if this connection is successful. So basically because I am not running any live campaign currently, therefore I am using this lead ads testing tool to test my integration and to send the response of the test lead. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, you can simply test the connection with the help of this lead ads testing tool. But when after setting up the connection, whenever a new lead will be received, a real lead will be received in Instagram lead ads, you are going to receive the response of that real lead as well. Now first of all, I'm going to select my page over here. And here the form is selected. So if you are using any existing form, you have to delete the existing lead from that form first of all by clicking on this delete lead button. But if the form is new, you can just click on preview form. When you have deleted the lead, you also have to refresh this page and you have to once again select your page and form so that the form could be open. Okay. So now because this is the new form which I have recently created, I am going to directly click on preview form option. So this is the form which is basically a contact form, and with the help of this, the leads are going to contact me for their bookings. So here it contains the simple details such as name, email and phone number. So as soon as the lead is going to submit this form, I'm going to receive the details of that lead, their name, their email and their phone number. By using that details, I can further communicate with the leads and I will be able to convert them into payable customers. Now let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the lead who is submitting this form is new lead. Let's say the email of this lead is newlead68@pabblytudes.com, just a random email. And over here, I'm going to enter a random phone number as well. Okay, then we'll click on continue and we'll submit this form. So as we have done that, now I'm going to cross this and we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect as it is saying that your lead is sent. So I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Connect to check whether the response is received, and over here we have the response. So in this response, we have received all the details. First of all, we have the name of the lead, the email and the phone number. And you can see all these details of the lead are exact which we have entered while submitting the form. This means that the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a lead will be received through Instagram lead ads for my hospitality business, then the response of that lead with all the details will be captured instantly. Now my objective is to add this lead in Zoho CRM. So I'm going to now set up the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect so that we can transfer this data towards that. Okay. Now here we'll go towards our action step. Our action application over here will be Zoho CRM. Let's select that. Then we have to select the action event. What you want to perform? I want to create a lead. So I'm going to create the lead with the action step, that is insert or update record. Let's click on connect for building the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. Before building the connection, you have to make sure that you are already logged into your Zoho CRM account, and not only to this application, but you have to keep in mind that whichever application you are connecting with Pabbly Connect, you are already logged into that prior of this connection, because it makes the connection simple and easier. Now for building the connection, I'm going to go with add new connection and we'll click on connect with Zoho CRM. It is asking us the domain name. So how we are going to get this domain name? For getting this, you just have to go towards your Zoho CRM account, and over here you can see that this is the URL of your account. Okay, so on this URL here we have the domain name as well, zoho.com. I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Done. When we have done that, let's click on save. In a similar manner, you also have to get your domain name from your Zoho CRM account and you have to paste it over here. As we have done that, now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Zoho CRM account, and our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. So let's click on accept. And over here you can see that the authorization has become successful and the connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now we have to move forward towards entering the details. So first of all, let's start with the module name. So here, because I want to create a lead in Zoho CRM, so the module name will be lead over here. And then we have to enter the details in these fields to create a lead successfully. First of all, let's start with the layout. So the layout is already selected as standard. Then here we have the next field as pipeline name, duplicate check fields, record image, lead owner, etc. So in case if you want to enter these details, you can enter them according to your choice. But because they are not mandatory, so I'm going to ignore these fields and I will directly move towards the details which I have received. So first of all, it is asking us the first name. So here we can see that we have received the name of the lead, but we have not received the first name and last name separately. And over here, because it is asking us first name and last name in separate fields, so we have to split the name. How we are going to do that? By clicking on this add action step button, and we are going to use text formatter in between. So text formatter is an amazing feature of Pabbly which helps us to format the text in the workflow according to our choice. With the help of text formatter, we are going to split the name. So our action event will be split name. Okay, then click on connect, and here the connection is built. Now it is asking us text to split. What you want to split? I want to split the name which I have received in Instagram lead ads response. So I will simply select the name over here. As we have selected the name from the previous response, we have mapped it, and when we map a data, it becomes dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is now going to replace. So whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, in this field the name is going to replace with the new name of that new lead. And not only the name, whichever details we are going to map, all these details are going to replace automatically, and in this way only we are going to run our automation. In case if we will enter the data manually over here, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Then the workflow will get stuck and we will not be able to automate our task. So I hope you have understood the concept and the importance of mapping now. Let's move forward. Here it is asking us the separator. What is the value which you want to use in order to separate this text? Because here I just want to split the name in between. So here I'm going to use the space which I have in between of the name, in first name and last name. So it is given the instructions that if you want to use space as the separator, you have to use this particular format. So I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Done. Then it is asking us the segment index. What segment of this particular text you want? First, second, last, or all? I want all because I want both first name and the last name. So I'm going to click on save and send test request button now, and here we have the first name and the last name separately. So let's map them quickly. First of all, let's map the first name of the lead, and then I'm going to map the last name. Alright, then here if you want to enter the designation, you can enter it. I'm going to directly map the email, And over here we have phone, fax and mobile. So here I'm going to map the mobile number because I have received the mobile number. Okay. Then if you want to enter the lead source, that from which source you have received this lead, you can enter it over here, lead status and all other details. Okay. I'm going to keep these fields as blank because I do not have any of the data, and I'm going to directly click on save and send test request button currently. And as we have done that, you can see that the lead is added because we have received this response in which we have all the details. So the name of the lead is new lead. Here we have the email. So I'm going to go towards Zoho CRM. We are currently on the lead section only. So I'm going to refresh this page. And as we have done that, you can see that yes, a new lead is added over here with the name as new lead. Here we have the email and we have the phone number as well. This means that the connection between Instagram lead ads and Zoho CRM is absolutely successful. So now once we have set up the connection, whenever a lead will be received through Instagram lead ads for our hospitality business, automatically that lead will be added in Zoho CRM. In this way, we will be able to effectively and easily manage all our leads with the help of CRM, and we do not have to enter the details manually as well. So I hope this automation is clear to you and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.